Yo, what's up, y'all? This your boy Ant. I'm fixing to roll the fenders on the back and do the front. I'm gonna do one fender roll, and it's pretty much the same thing on both sides. So I'm gonna have to show y'all how to do it. I got a roller machine so I can do my own. I also got something else in store for y'all for Black Knight that I just did. I put a Viper alarm automatic crank on it, and I like it's pretty good. Let me crank it up for you. Let's see. Do your thing, Black Knight. That's what I'm talking about. You want to cut it off? That's what Viper do for you. Nice alarm. I like it. I have it on my Coke car, and it's pretty good. This thing's reached out to like 100 feet. The one I got, the Viper, I forgot what number it is, but anyway, I got to have him do this tonight because we got to roll. We taking a trip to New Orleans, me and the wife, so I got some work to do real quick, get a little bit of sleep, and you know, let's get this thing started. Y'all know how we do. Okay, I got the what's name together. So that's the machine right there that I had to put together, and you put it on your wheel, and that's how you roll your fender. That's a roller fender thing, but you gotta take that dryer right there and heat it up, and then kind of take that rubber mallet right there and bang up butter and then roll it. So let me heat it up, and I'll show y'all basically how to do it. I'm kind of go ahead and show y'all the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish heating it up and kind of show y'all the process. Kind of want to get it heated up on the edge so when it's bend under, it kind of won't crack your paint up. And now we know how to put this on to adjust it. I'm putting about 3 bolts. That's good enough to hold it. I got to heat that back up again some more. And go ahead and adjust this. See how we move. Then we might want to heat that, heat this up some more a little bit, and bring it up to it. We're going to blow dry this some more. We're going to heat it up. like this. I have to heat it up some more, tighten it up some more. And you're supposed to tighten that up some more as you keep rolling it. It's going to tighten it up some more. It's going to be a little process though. Get that in some more. Some work with it. And basically that's what you have to do, keep working it. Heat it up and working it. Now it's gonna be a little process, so I'll get back with y'all when I get done. Okay, I got this side already rolled, and I'm gonna try to show y'all, try to take my light and show y'all how the fenders roll. Because some people call themselves rolling fenders and don't roll it up enough where it folds underneath. And that's how you roll fenders. When it's folded underneath, you know, they'll bend them, but they don't fold them. Try to get this light under here. And hopefully y'all can see that. But mine's right there, it's folded. So it don't have nothing to cut on. You know, it chipped my paint coming off, but I should have rolled the fenders before then. See, I don't even think I got the camera in there right. Okay, as y'all can see, mine's is rolled right there. Like it's got a fold underneath, see? See if I can stick my finger under it and y'all can see. See, it's a crease, so it's folded. And mine is folded up. So that's basically how you do it. If it don't have a fold up, it's not done right. If it's just bent under there, it's not right. So other than that, we're gonna wrap this video up. So I'm gonna get this board out the way. I don't fall first. But basically, like I said, that's gonna wrap this video up. We're gonna do the other side. We might do the front when we come back, because this takes a little while. But I will be filming some of our trip to New Orleans, so I'm gonna combine that in with this video. Other than that, this your boy. I'm out of here. Peace. I need a little bit more. Hey, how it go? Hey, on the bottom is watching out 5-0. Smashing the gas, rolling through the city as fast as it can. Ain't got time, yeah, what's up? Ain't got time. Alright, that's how it is. Fast car rider. Hear the horses coming, but you gon' get out the way. Move, move. You driving fast to the pedal on the floor when you see the pull on.
got the wall. Hey. Smashing the gas. Moving through the city as fast as I can. Gotta pay how to go. The only problem is watching out 5 more. Smashing the gas. Moving through the city as fast as I can. Ain't got time to play. Ain't got time to get. I'm heading off to the sunset.